Hello there. I'm so excited today because we've been given exclusive access to go ahead and do a private home tour for y'all. This is going to be a custom home. I guarantee you will not find another one like this in the villages. Yes, there may be another model of it, but it is not expanded, upgraded, beautified. That's even a word. I know it's a word from Wicked with Glinda, but we've been given exclusive access to go ahead and tour this home by Kerry Hanson. She has it listed with LPT Realty. She is a dear friend of mine, and this home deserves everything. It is looking for its perfect owner right now, and if it suits you, go ahead, give either me or Kerry a call. We can go ahead and set up a private showing for you. But this home, it's my dream home. And I hope it's your dream home too, because we are going to go and look at it right now. Holy curb appeal. Look at this massive 3-car garage right from the outside. A beautiful palm tree, stacked stone landscaping. And we haven't even gone outside yet, and we are already dumbfounded at how gorgeous this home is. If you are a fan of custom trim, this is definitely going to be the house for you. Every inch of this home is adorned in decadent trim. We're thrown right into the heart of the home that has the ceramic tile that's made to look like wood throughout the entire home, with seamless transitions into the bedrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, everything along those lines. You do see a little built-in there in that corner, formal dining room, and then we'll spin around into this kitchen. Of course, this is going to be a quartz countertop on an expanded kitchen island, all soft close cabinets. We do have a pantry with slide out drawers in here, and then there's all upgraded stainless steel appliances. This is truly an entertainer's home. Just look at how many seating options we have here. We're going to go ahead and zip right past all this. Believe me, we will come right back to it, I promise. We are heading into the primary bedroom. Believe it or not, this is a king-size bed. The room is so large that all of the furniture that's in this room right now makes it look average, but I guarantee you it is massive. Primary suite is also upgraded as to be expected. So you walk into this gorgeous tile Roman shower. Spinning around here, some little nooks to go ahead and put all of your items. Hanging bar before you even leave the bathroom. Dual vanity sinks. You may love each other, but not enough to share a sink. Obviously a chandelier. What bathroom is not complete without a chandelier? Walk-in closet, multiple tiers, lots of storage. Not even going in the full way, and you can just see how much you can actually put in there. Alrighty, we are going to zippity-doo-dah out of this bedroom and head into the enclosed lanai. This is 495 square feet of additional living area out here. We have electric blinds that will go ahead and dampen out the sun when you're sitting back here and want to watch the game. And it leads right into birdcage number 1. Yes, I said number 1. This is a canvas-covered birdcage with 2 doors, one out to the backyard and one back into this enclosed lanai area. We're coming up on one of my favorite additions that they did to this house, and that is the inclusion of this half bathroom out in the enclosed lanai. And yes, you see it's going to be next to the other birdcage as well. So this makes it so convenient for all those guests that you are guaranteed to entertain. We're going to scoot back up through this house really quick as we lead into the front wing. So this is going to be our front door. So immediately as you come into the front door, if you go to the right, there's your second full bath. Gorgeous tile shower with the glass enclosure. Here's your second bedroom. Right now it's used as a guest bedroom, does have a closet. And then we have one more bedroom. This is going to be bedroom number 3, currently used as an office, and it is facing the front of the home. Alright guys, I hope you're ready, because I have saved 2 of the best parts of this house for last, and we're going to be coming up on them here in just a moment. But first, look at this absolutely massive laundry room. Alrighty, now if this garage does not make you excited, I don't think anyone will. This is 894 square feet of a 3-car custom garage. I love the way that he added this storage wall where it has the barn door, so even if this garage is fully packed, you can access all of your storage against the walls. I have now truly saved the best for last. We're gonna cut back through the home one more time. Let's look at this gorgeous trim again. Every single door frame is just adorned in this decadent trim. But here it is, the grand moment. We are going to go outside and see this 63 by 65 foot enclosed bird cage with a heated and cooled pool. This back half of the bird cage does have a canvas covering on top, and it also has a retractable awning if you need just a little bit more protection. Lots of seating options around here, so I guess you can just imagine how many people you can entertain. Look at this gorgeous pool, oh my gosh. Sun tanning ledge, a little table so you can go ahead and put any drinks. And if lying in a floaty isn't an option for you, then you can go ahead and have a seat. You can see it right on the outskirts of the pool here. There is a concrete ledge. Here's one of the hot tubs. That's the built-in hot tub. And then you can see there in the back, you have an above-ground hot tub as well. I could honestly stay in this house for hours. It brings me so much joy. I love all of the custom accents that were done to it. And it's even better to know that all of this is already done, so you just move right in. You do not have to do one thing to this home. It is already done. I truly hope that you enjoyed this home as much as I did. If you would like to go ahead and set up a private showing of this home, give myself or Kerry a call, and we would love to go ahead and set that up for you. We do require a pre-approval letter or proof of funds for private showings. I have a proposition for you. You buy this house, and I will throw you the best housewarming party. We'll get bands, we'll get a DJ, we'll get a bar cart, we will get a food truck. We will do it right for this house because it deserves it, and you deserve this house. So call me. I cannot wait to tell my dad all the fun little projects that I have for him to do. He's going to be so excited. Man, I need a pool.